What is the purpose of an oven warming drawer?
Hello everyone. Today, we are here to answer an interesting question, which is, what is the purpose of an oven warming drawer? Many of us have this feature in our ovens but may not know exactly what it's meant for. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the warming drawer's functionality and how to make the best use of it.
What is a warming drawer?
The first thing to understand is what exactly a warming drawer is. This is a feature that's often built into the same unit as your oven, typically located underneath the main oven compartment. Despite the common misconception, it's not just a place to store your pots and pans. The warming drawer is designed to keep cooked foods at a safe, warm temperature until you're ready to serve them.
Why use a warming drawer?
So, why would you want to use a warming drawer? One of the primary uses is to maintain the temperature of your dishes. This is especially handy when you're preparing multiple dishes that need to be served at the same time. Rather than having to coordinate cooking times perfectly, you can cook one dish, keep it warm in the drawer, and then continue with the rest of your meal prep. Another benefit is that warming drawers can help to keep your food moist and fresh. They are designed to prevent food from drying out, unlike microwaving or heating in the oven. So, the warming drawer can actually help improve the quality of your meals.
How to use a warming drawer?
Using a warming drawer is straightforward. Once your food is cooked, instead of leaving it out on the counter where it can cool and possibly become unsafe to eat, you can place it in the warming drawer. It's essential to use oven-safe dishes and remember that while the drawer does keep your food warm, it's not designed to cook food or reheat leftovers. To wrap up, the warming drawer in your oven is a fantastic tool that allows you to keep your meals warm, fresh, and tasty until you're ready to serve them. It's perfect for those occasions when you're preparing multiple dishes or when your meals are ready before your guests arrive. Now that you know its purpose and how to use it, hopefully, your warming drawer won't just be a storage spot for baking sheets. Happy cooking!